हेलो गाइस, कैसे आप सब लोग। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फाइनल कट ऑफ IBPS PO मेंस, that is मेंस plus interview. Okay guys, so here I taken the last 3 years mains cut off as well as final cut off. Here 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020, that is this year cut off. Okay guys, so here is categories I have mentioned: OBC, SC, ST and general category. Then afterwards here is a mains cutoff, final cutoff in 2017, 2018 mains cutoff, final cutoff, 2019 mains cutoff, final cutoff, and 2020 mains cutoff is already declared. Okay, the remaining is the final cutoff. Okay guys, so this is what first I want to make one thing clear, that the IBPS while deciding the cutoff of the mains examination, they consider all the factors, that is number of students and shift, that is most probably the shift is 1, so there is no normalization is done in the mains examination. Then number of students, difficulty level, and that's I think number of vacancy also. Okay, so these are the parameters considered while deciding the cutoff. Okay, so while deciding the cutoff up to the mains examination, these factors are considered, but while deciding the cutoff of the final, that is mains exam plus interview, though no normalization or any other parameter is considered while deciding the cutoff of the final examination. So that's first point I want to clear. So we are calculating this cutoff. This is my method of forecasting the cutoff, so I am going to share with you. So okay, so we will start from the OBC category first. So here is a cutoff of the mains cutoff 2017, that is 75.63, and final cutoff is 43.02. okay guys, so here we will calculate from 17 to 18 cutoff and match with the actual cutoff that is declared in 2018. okay guys, so we will calculate here in the column of estimate with my method, and we will compare this with the final cutoff. okay guys, so let's start. So first we will compare the mains cutoff of the 2017 and 2018. So here in 2017 mains cutoff is 75.73, and in 2018 mains cutoff is 68.38. so here cutoff is decreased from 75 to 68. so we will calculate the difference between both the cutoff, that is 75 point what is that 63 minus 68.38. so the difference is 7.25. then we convert this difference into 80%, that is we multiply this with 80 and divide by 225. we will calculate it at 2.57. so the cutoff is decreased, so final cutoff will also decrease. so we will subtract 2.57 from the previous cutoff, that is 2017 cutoff. okay, the 2017 cutoff is 43.02. We will subtract this from 2000, that 2.57 we will subtract from 43.02. okay guys, so that is 43.02, though value comes around 40.44. I will write here 40.44. so this is my estimate, and the method I use for the estimation I share with you. okay guys, so same thing I will again do with 2019, because the cutoff of 2017, 2018 and 2019 is already declared, so there is no problem with the cutoff. So we will calculate 2019 cutoff with this method. so here the 2018 mains cutoff is 68.38 and 2019 mains cutoff is 70.25. so here is a increase in the cutoff that around 2 marks. we will calculate the exact value, that is 70.25 minus what is that 68.38. okay guys, so we get the difference of 1.87. we will convert this difference into 80%. we will multiply by 80 and divide by 225. okay guys, we will get the value 0.66. okay, so here is a decrease in the cutoff, that is from 68.38 to here is the increase in the cutoff from 68.38 to 70.25. so we will add this value, that is 0.66 in the previous year final cutoff, that is 40.29. So we will add with 40.29. We will get the cutoff of the 2019, that is 40.95. Okay guys, so you can compare the estimated cutoff and actual final cutoff with my method, that is around nearly 0.50 accuracy. So okay, so we will calculate the this year cutoff that is going to declare with this method. So let's calculate the, so here mains cutoff is 78.63 and previous year 2019 mains cutoff is 70.25. so here is a increase in the cutoff about nearly about, I will calculate 8 marks. I will calculate the exact value, that is 78.63 minus 70.25. okay guys, so there is a difference of 8.38. I will convert this difference into 80%, in multiply by 80 divided by 2 to 5. I will get the value 2.97. so here is the increase in the value, that is from 70.25 in 2019 to 78.63 into 2020. so increase in the cutoff, I will add the value, that is I will add the 2.97 value in the previous year cutoff, that is 40.27. I will add it 40.27. I will get the cutoff of estimated cutoff of final estimated cutoff of IBPS PO mains, that is OBC category. so I will write 43.25. So with my this method, the OBC category 2020 cutoff is 43.25. we will see the final cutoff when released. okay guys, then we will calculate with the same method of SC category. okay, so let's start. In 2017 mains cutoff is 62.5. in 2018 mains cutoff is 56.38. the reduction in the cutoff from 62 to 56. so we will take the difference of the both, that is 62.5 minus 56.38. we will get a difference, that is decrease difference. we will convert it into 80%, multiply by 80 divided by 2 to 5. we will get the value 2.176. so here is a decrease in the cutoff from 62 to 56. so we will subtract this value from previous year cutoff, that is 38.56. we will get the value 36.38. so in 2018 estimated cutoff is 36.38, but actual cutoff is 35, that is nearly around 0.5 accuracy, 0.5 accuracy. so plus minus 0.5. so we will calculate with the same method in 2019 and we will get what okay. so here is the mains cutoff is 55.63 and 2018 mains cutoff is 56.38. so here is difference of there is a gap of 1 marks decrease. so we will calculate the exact value. okay guys, so from 56.38 minus, that is 55.63. okay, we will get the value of 0.75. we will convert this value into 80%, multiply by 80 divided by 2 to 5. we will get the value, that is around 0.26. so decrease in the value, we will decrease the value from final cutoff, that is final cutoff is 35.78. so we will minus 35.78. we will get the estimated cutoff of 2019, 35.51. that is nearly 0.5 plus 0.5 minus from 36.02. I will say that the accuracy of 0.5. okay, we will calculate with the same method in 2020. so here mains cutoff is 66.38 and 55.63. so there is an increase in the around 10 marks. we will calculate the exact value, 66.38 minus 55. What is that, 633. okay, there is a difference of 10.75. that is a increase difference. we will convert into 80%, multiply by 80 divided by 2 to 5. okay, we will get the value 3.82. so there is a increase in the cutoff from 55 to 66. so we will add the value in 36.02. so there is the cutoff of SC category in 2020 is the estimated cutoff 39.84. 39.84. That is the estimated cutoff of SC category. The same way we will calculate the ST category as well and general category as well. We will directly calculate the cutoff of 2019 from to 2020. So here we will get compare mains cutoff of 2020 and 2019 mains cutoff of ST category. So here is the increase in the cutoff from 2019 to 2020. That is, we will calculate the exact value. That is from what the value 52.25 to 38 minus 38.13. Okay guys, that is the difference around 14 marks. So we'll multiply, convert into 80%, that is multiply by 80 divided by 225. Okay guys, here is the difference of his marks come 5.02. so here value increase from previous year, so cutoff also increase. So last year in 2019 the cutoff of ST category was 33.24. so we will add this 5.2 to 33.24. so we will plus 33.24. we will get the cutoff of nearly around 38.26. Okay guys, here is the cutoff of estimated cutoff of ST category in 2020. Okay guys, so we will likewise we will calculate the cutoff of general category. We will directly calculate from 2019 to 2020. Okay guys, so we will compare the mains cutoff 83.5 and 71.25 increase in the marks. So we will get the difference. Okay, what is the difference? 83.5 minus 71.25. we will get the difference of 12.25 marks. We will convert it into percent, multiply by 80 divided by 225. Okay, we will get the value 4.35. here is the increase in the marks from 71 to 83. We will add this value in the last year cutoff, that is 44.44 plus 44.44. we will get the value nearly 48.79. so these are the estimated cutoff of this year. We will plus or minus 1 marks can vary with this cutoff, but nearly about cutoff will be this only. Okay guys, these are the as I share with you that my method of calculating the final cutoff. So if you have any query or question regarding this method, you can suggest me or comment in the comment section. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And if you like really this video, you can also press the like button, because that the thing only motivates me to prepare videos. Okay guys, and I uploaded my interview experience of IBPS PO in my video playlist. You can go there and watch for your interview preparation as well. And that's what in this video. Okay guys, thank you, stay tuned and stay healthy. Thank you guys.